Good morning, everybody. Day 13. Okay, for today in math, we're going to continue with our fractions. First thing you're going to do is you're going to add fractions with like denominators using recipes. In this example, you're making some sauce, and it's asking to write your answer as a fraction or a whole number. Okay. If you mix the red peppers and the paprika together, how many teaspoons will there be in all? So I have to go through and I have to find the paprika and the red pepper. So I have 1/4 cup or 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper, 3/4 teaspoons of paprika. If I add 3/4 plus 1/4, I end up with 1 whole or 4/4. And looks like they're going to give you the right answer for either one. Okay. After you complete that one, you're going to go to adding and subtracting fractions with mixed numbers. Similar to what you were doing before. So you're going to add your fractions first or subtract your fractions first, then add your mixed number. You're going to probably want to have a sheet of paper for this. Or if you have your pen tool, you can use your pen tool. Okay? If you have questions on that, please use the hints first, and then go ahead and shoot me a message. I'm happy to help. Our book discussion at 10 o'clock today will be focusing on the disaster and the people of the Titanic. So filling out those sections. The math talk today at 11, that's going to focus on adding and subtracting mixed numbers. So if you need a little help with that, I'm happy to help out. Oh, what did I do? Sorry about that. All right. Then for reading, going to continue with the Raz Kids book. If you have not completed that, make sure you finish reading the book. Take the quiz, get that turned in. Otherwise, you're going to continue to take notes on the Epic books. So for each section, you click on the book that goes along with it. Let's do the one we're going to do today. So let's just do the people, the crew. So you click on the Epic book. You may have to log into Epic. I'm already logged in, so I don't have to do that, but you may have to log in. Then it'll take you right to the book. So Stories of the Titanic Crew, and as I read through, I'm going to take notes and add that to my notes page. That will be for the discussion this afternoon at 10 a.m. And then writing, you are writing with the template that I introduced yesterday. If you have questions about that, please message me, let me know. And then math resources, I added a couple of new math games. I'll make sure to turn this down. Everybody here is still sleeping, so. Okay, first one is a math puzzle, so you're using your addition skills to solve this puzzle. Okay, it's going to give you a target number up here. You have to click on two numbers that equal 11. So I know that 5 and 6 equal 11, so I find 6 here, a 5. Now I have to try to make 15. I know 7 and 8 make 15. I have to make 13. And then you continue that and you score points as you go, and then you'll get to the point where it'll give you a number, and you can either make the number using multiple numbers, so more than 2, or your game will just be over because you can no longer make it. Okay? Kind of a fun game. And then the other one is called Math Pop. In this game, it gives you a target number, and then as these balloons come by, you're supposed to click on them to add up to this number. But over here, you only get so many moves and so much time. So I'm kind of waiting for a 3, but I don't see one, so I'm going to do a 2. Okay, so now I have a new number. Now my number is 23, and I get 8 moves to make that number. Oh, but I missed the 3. So I have to wait for the 3 to come back, and then it just continues to add numbers. But if you make a mistake, it just ends your game. Okay? All right, have fun with those. Those are really good for strategic thinking, for addition, and for just overall math skills. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Remember, tomorrow we do not have any instruction, but you are still more than welcome to work on any of the skills. I just will not be available because I will be fishing. All right, have a great day. Bye.